Hello everyone, welcome to Saze Math. In today's video, we are solving 2 plus 3 times 4 minus 5. Can you solve it? Put the correct answer in the comment. Having said that, let's solve it together. We have different operations here. We have addition, multiplication, and subtraction. This tells us that we have to apply the order of operation called PEMDAS. Some countries call it BODMAS, depending on your country. Here, the P here stands for parenthesis, which means bracket. So we are going to solve the one in bracket first before you solve the E, which is exponent, something like 2 square. And after that, you will solve multiplication and division, working from left to right. And finally, we are going to solve addition and subtraction, working from left to right. Having said that, let's apply the rules. Looking at this question, we don't have parentheses, neither do we have exponent, but we have multiplication there. Alright, so we begin with this multiplication. 2 plus 3 times 4 will give us 12 minus 5. That leads us to the final stage, which is addition and subtraction. Remember, addition and subtraction has same priority. We work from left to right. That is, the one that appears first from the left is what we are going to solve, and we have addition there. So we begin with the addition. 2 plus 12 will give us 14, and then 14 minus 5 will give us 9. This is the correct answer. I hope this is very clear for everyone to understand. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.